Ready?
Wake up, fool! Did you sleep here last night? Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We have another day with the Jeep today. We gotta get to it and start wrapping. We gotta catch up with the guys and see where we're at. So let's get inside. As you can see, the doors are off. We missed filming a couple things because Anthony and Jack went ham last night and they took the hood off. They took the doors off on both sides. They took all the hinges. Where are those hinges? These bad boys right there, which don't look like much, but apparently they suck to come off.
Yeah, and they hold the whole door on, so kind of important.
Slightly. So we're just gonna finish taking this thing apart and then actually get to wrapping?
Yeah,
Holy
finally.
shit.
Announce to the vlog what color we're wrapping it.
Yeah.
That's Satin Black.
That's Satin.
That's Saltine Black. I'm gonna wrap the fender next. If you guys notice, the fender is really not much. We have to leave this thing here. There was like a cap. I think this is an antenna or something. So we took that off. I'll cut a hole, I'll pre-cut that, and then I'll lay this piece in. But most of the fender's actually the flare that's not there now.
All right, guys, so we're laying another piece here, and I'm actually going to be doing the center pillar. And what I actually did, I put the knifeless tape all on this side right here, and it comes up to this little bend here. So there was a little rubber trim that was here, so we just removed that really quickly. And then I just repeated the same step with the knifeless tape on this side. All I gotta do is lay the piece of material there, and then it'll be pretty much done. I'm gonna do the seam to right here, and then I'm just gonna close it off and clamp it to here, so it can match the satin black. And then all I gotta do after that is just this piece here, the fender, and the chassis. Chassis is pretty much gonna be done after that.
Johnny, stop talking to yourself freaking weird, man.
All right, guys, so pretty much the entire chassis is all done and wrapped up. You guys can see it. This front fender got done, this piece got done, bottom pretty much like stepping place got done, this whole little bar here got done, and then the quarter panels, and then obviously tail light area here got done in a separate piece. So the car's coming together fairly quickly. Now I just got to get these doors back on, so probably double do that while I'm wrapping up the trunk piece or the tailgate part. One thing I do want to note, whenever we have any spot like this that has not been painted, we do have to apply primer, just basically an adhesion promoter, just to help make sure that this sticks in this general area. But this is the last part of the main chassis of the car that is going to get wrapped, and then pretty much all we got to do now after that is put everything else back on so I can start wrapping it. And the only other part that I noticed right now, we do have to wrap this and this separately, so the Jeep can pretty much be fully completed as far as the chassis. And then once the doors go on, this car is gonna be basically pretty much all the way done. One thing that we didn't actually mention, we had to actually wrap these hinges right here in this general area. So because this is something that we could have gotten powder coated, but we actually left them on just to make sure that the alignment of the doors was gonna be perfect. We did actually wrap them in satin black, so it's kind of hard to tell. But that was one of those little things that probably would get missed. We did have to wrap all of these, which it's a total of 8 of them, but it's a kind of a intricate little area to wrap. And it's actually pretty cool because once the doors go on, people will probably think that these just got powder coated, but these are one of the small parts of the hinges that didn't actually get powder coated and actually did have to get wrapped. So I thought that was just something cool that I wanted to mention for the vlog, just because it might have been overlooked, it might have been missed. All right, guys, so just a quick narration. We're moving on to another part of the Jeep. Right now I'm gonna be wrapping the doors, and the cool thing about it is since they are already off, I get to wrap them actually off of the car. That's not really a thing that we get to do often on every single car, but just because it is this way, we're gonna take advantage and we're gonna do them off the car. As you guys can see, I have the door on the horse here, and what this allows is basically I'm gonna have a much easier time wrapping all around these corners here. And not only that, because this door is designed the way it is, we get to actually take off the seal all around and actually get a nice good tuck on it. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward, and luckily the way that this is designed, it's gonna make it a lot easier for us when it comes to wrapping. Just a side note, even this little window here does come off, but because it's such a simple trim that I can just pull back and actually wrap into, we're not gonna go ahead and take it off. I really don't wanna mess with the way that the window goes up and down. But when it's all put together, obviously it's not on the car here, but we do have a lot of different components, the handle, the locking thing, the hinges, and not only that, but we have this cover here and all this that goes here. So there's a lot of stuff that's actually on the door that is taken off here. But like I said, it's just, that's one of the cool things about Jeeps, and also we get to wrap it off the car. All right, guys, so the Jeep is coming back together really fast. I look away for a couple seconds and I look back. The car is pretty much getting put back together.
Fenders are on.
Fenders are on.
That's it.
All right, so we're gonna throw on this door now. Dope got the hinges on it. So these are the ones that were powder coated. These are gonna just be, basically I'm gonna be holding the door, Christian's gonna be helping me out. He's gonna do the lining up of the little pins here. These just line up into these slots over here. should be
Which
pretty.
is, it's like a door at your house. It's like the same concept. It's just a hinge. And
Yeah, it's
that's
adorable.
It's okay. All right. That's what we're at to now.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, we're just gonna set up the camera on a tripod. You guys can watch us put this door on.
All right, boys, we on camera now.
Oh yeah.
That means act like you know what you're doing. All right, guys. So I did wrap the bottom half of this windshield here. Now I just gotta wrap this.
Oh, we got a problem, boys.
I'm gonna be doing that while the guys are putting on the door on the other side. So basically right now I'm gonna do probably the most important part of this whole Jeep. I got my headphones on, I'm like just really completely focused, and yeah, this is kind of the biggest moment of this whole car because it's the most iconic Jeep part, and I wanna make sure that it's like the best job I could do, so that's pretty much all I'm doing right now.
You already started a little bit?
Yeah, so I did lay it already. I'm working on my relief cuts right now to make sure everything gets laid properly. But the only other part after this is putting it back on the car and then sending it off to the customer, really. So.
Grill is on.
Jesus. Let's just redo this. Hold on one second.
Grill's on. Thanks, Johnny. All nice and clean. All cleaned up. And now we've got everything else on. So now it's just time to protect it with some good old guard wrap. Wrap guard.
We just finished up tinting these. Daniel went ahead and tinted all these guys here. So he is gonna have like a very murdered out look. Also, these got tinted as well. So it looks a lot better than I think stock. And then also these did get these got super wrapped. And then there is another emblem that goes here that we gotta put on first. But other than that, car's all getting buttoned up. My man over there. All right, guys, now that this is all back on, grill, like I said, is the most like classic, most important part of this whole car. It looks good. The only thing it needs now, and I wonder if Christian can help me out with this, is to show you guys with 6 cinematics. So Christian, can you film some cinematics? All right, guys, so it's delivery time. Customer unfortunately did not want to be on video and he did not want to be filmed, but that's just a great example for us to show you how beautiful the car looks. Pat from Flossing Auto Detailing is actually taking care of the full like wrap up and cleanup, and customers in the background. So yeah, car looks amazing. I'm so happy with it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for keeping up with all of our content. And me and Christian will see you guys, and Daniel and everybody, we'll see you guys in the next one.